Good morning everyone. Today we're going to be revising homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same as another word, but they have a different meaning. Let's have a look at a couple of examples. So here you can see we have break, as in breaking something, or brake, as in the brakes on your bike or your car to stop you. We've also got here, as in a place, or here, as in hearing in your ear. We have night, as in day and night time, when the sun goes down. Or we have night, as in night in a castle. And we also have buy, as in when you go to the shops and you buy something. Or we have by, as in walking by. Take a look at the two pictures on the screen now. I want you to see if you can figure out the homophones from the pictures. So I'm going to give you a moment to take a look and then I'm going to reveal what they are. Okay, let's have a look. It's pear, as in a pair of shoes, and pear, as in the fruit. Let's have a look at another one. Okay, what do you think about this one? Have a look closely. What could the homophones be? Let's have a look. It's 8, as in 8 food, and 8 as in the number. Did you guess that one? Let's have a look at another one. Have a look at this one. What do you think it could be? Let's have a look. It's see, as in seeing something, and sea, as in the ocean. This is the last one. I wonder if you can guess this one. Take a look closely. Let's have a look. It's hair, as in the animal, and hair, as in on your head. Today we're going to look closely at there, and there. So this is a homophone and there's actually 3 of them, and you may have used or seen them before. So the top one, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, this there is short for they are, and you can tell because of the apostrophe there. So if you're ever unsure, just remember that we've omitted the A there, okay, made a contraction for there. So they are is this one. You would use that in a sentence such as, they're really big. They are really big. Now the next one, T-H-E-I-R, this means it belongs to them. It's their object, their item. Their tents are red. Okay, and you can remember this one because the I looks like a little person. So you can always remember that it belongs to someone, T-H-E-I-R. And the next one, there, is for places. So it's over there, I'm going over there. And you can remember this one because the R looks a little bit like an arrow. Okay, so that's how we like to remember there, and there. And we're going to try and use those in sentences today. So I'm going to show you some sentences with some gaps, and I want you to tell me which there I would use in the gap. Here's 3 sentences. The first one says, she wants to go over there to see her friend. Now you need to choose from the 3 there's at the bottom, and I would like you to write that sentence using the correct homophone. So remember, you've got there, as in they are, with the omitted A. You've got there, as in over there, if something's over there, with the arrow. And you've got there, as in it belongs, with the person. So she wants to go over there to see her friend is your first sentence. The second one, yesterday I went to their house for tea. So again, think about which there you would use, which homophone. And the third one, they're my favourite toys. So I want you to have a look carefully and write those sentences, filling in the gaps for me. Now let's have a look together. She wants to go. Here's our final sentences if you want to check your work. So the first one was there, as in over there, without R-E. The second one was there, as in E-I-R, it belongs to them. And the third one was there, as in they are, without apostrophe R-E. The other homophone we're going to look at today is 2, and 2. So there's 3 different twos, but we use them all in different ways because they have different meanings. The first one, to, it can mean towards, or it can be part of a verb. So you could say, I want to fly, or I'm going to school. Okay, so that's when you'd use your to, just a short O, just one O. The next one, T with 2 O's after it, is saying too much of something or as well as something. So you could say, my sister ate too much yesterday, and you would use TOO. And we like to remember that one by saying we've got too many O's. Now the last one, TWO, I wonder if you can guess that one. That's right, this one's the number 2. So TWO is for the number. Now let's take a look at some sentences again, and I want to see if you can fill in the gaps using the correct homophone. So think carefully about their meanings. Has it got 1 O? Has it got too many? Or is it the number? Okay, here's your sentences for the homophone to. Now remember, you can either have to with 1 O, as in towards something or part of a verb. You can have to as in too much or as well as. Or you can have 2 as in the number 2. So have a read of those sentences and see if you can choose the correct 2. You've got, my little brother is 2 years old. I have too many toys in my room. I went for a walk to the park. So have a look, think carefully. Here's the answers to the sentences. Take a look and see if you managed to use the correct one in the correct space. Well done if you did, and if you didn't, that's okay because you can have another go next time. Here's the main homophones we've looked at today. Now, if you enjoyed filling in the gaps in those sentences and you want to practice this skill further, I'd like to see if you can make your own sentences using the correct word. Okay, so good luck with that. And again, if you want to share in the comments below, share, and I always have a look. So happy learning, everyone.